A dangerous respiratory illness, whooping cough, is surging earlier than expected, well before winter even begins. And experts warn this may only be the beginning. Cases of whooping cough, formerly known as pertussis, are rising for the second year in a row. According to CDC data cited by ABC News, U.S. has already seen more than 25,000 cases this year. That's the highest annual total in nearly a decade, and many infections still go unreported. Tragically, Kentucky just reported its third infant death from whooping cough this year.